Hey, what's up everyone? It's Michael Boomer, and as you can see we're doing this. And I basically started this like not long ago at all. The reason I have this is because I want it, so yeah. That makes zero sense, let's just get right into it. I don't even know about my avatar. It's automatic. For now. Active Pokemon. I choose you. Hiya! Deano. Or however you say it. And guys, if you're wondering, I have like the whole thing in real life too, so. Yep. I'm not gonna say it, never mind. Let's get into it. What was that, Furfru? Oh! Nest ball. Nah. Save that for later. Just kidding, nest ball. Let's go. And now I need you out. Done. Where's the remote? And also guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and all that stuff. Ah, sorry, voice crack. Yeah, I'm done. Let's go. What did I just do? I know what I was doing. Evolve! Here's your second energy, so I'll use Headbutt. What? What's that Pokemon's ability? Yeah, no, that's weird. How is it gonna block my attack? I want it for the, not the, what is that strategy? The, not the offensive, statistic one. Let's get me some energies back. Come on out, dude. Oops. I honestly did not mean to do that whatsoever, but let's do it. And it looks like a good card. So yeah. Use that move. Hi-ya! Yes! As usual. Wait a second. Oh, yeah, it's that kind of a deck. Alright, that's what it is. I'm so not gonna win this then. By the way, you guys. Look at them. How come we can't just, like... Never mind. But I was just saying, how come we can't just, like... One second. You're gonna help me in this battle on the map. Dang it! Burn came off. How? I choose you. I mean, help me out. Staffel. Handor. Handor again. This Pokemon shows distraction, even though it's the worst idea. I'm still doing it anyways. Boom, 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 boom. Haha. Beat that. Let's try this one next. Do this splendid. Anyways, I was thinking not escape rope. And what does this do? Nah. It's a useless move right now. In my opinion. Haha. Yes! Dangerous blow! I choose Millerite. Team Flare, not them again. They were actually the most annoying in the video game. And by the way, I played the video game before. So it looks like we have about like 5 more minutes, and this video will have to end. Now use your special move, Dangerous Blow. Sorry, I'm being so quiet. I'm just like trying to think of a strategy to beat this guy up. And that one only did 60 damage. I don't see how. And we're back. Sorry about that, guys. I was just like checking out and seeing how this works. Now he has 4 and I have 3. No, we both have 3. Dang it. Let's see how I do. Zach, whatever your name is. Oh, my turn? Alright, that was fast. Now, go beware. Use Dangerous Blow. 120 damage, 120 damage. Oh, we gotta win this thing fast. I have to do something in a minute. Anyways. Evolve! Sure, why not? I have a ton of cards. Ooh! Yes, that is perfect. For my strategy. You guys see my hand. It has a Deano. Next evolution is Willows. Next evolution Hydreigon. Hydreigon. I'm sorry, who's in trouble? Oh yeah, you are. Crud, never mind, I'm in trouble. I hate when this happens. Okay, Hice muy bien. I win! Yippee!